8 o'clock in the morning. I am doing my makeup. It's just like a fresh look that we're gonna do. I have a photo shoot today. This is obviously it's day, so you kind of don't want something too heavy. We can, it's up to your personal preference. But yeah, I prefer something that's like more light and like kind of Victoria's Secret, like fresh vibe. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm not going to use my voice for the video. As you know, I still have a voice injury, which will affect me for a whole nother year. So it's better for me to just record it after when I've cut and edited the video. So yeah, you'll just have to watch me and listen to my voiceover. All right, let's get into it.
Hello petals, so I'm using the Tartelette palette and I'm going to use the combination of those 3 colors. Now it's always the best to use the lightest color. It's kind of like a transition shade first, and you put that on the outer lid and swipe it across the socket or the crease of your eye. My hair's in the way. And I just keep blending that until it's like seamless, and I just do the same on the other side of the eye. So just pressing it in and then blending until it's seamless. Now that's the next shade, which was the darker, like the middle shade, so it's a little bit darker. And I just pressed it on both eyes because I picked up too much product. And I'm just gonna blend that out until it's seamless as well. You just gotta keep blending until it's seamless. Now I use my finger to put that golden shade on the lid, and I'm adding a tiny bit of the darker color over the top, and I blended that out. I put my liner and my lashes on because it was too hard for me to do and I was in a rush for the photo shoot. That's the Studio Fix fluid, and I'm just pressing that over my face with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to do the same after I put my concealer on. I always blend it out with a beauty blender. So I put my foundation first, then my concealer, and I cover that whole area because I am quite dark under the eyes. It's just hereditary, and it's just like helps to really cover that. And pressing it in obviously gets rid of all those lines of putting it on with a brush, and it makes it seamless. That's the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour, and I need to use that fluffy brush, and I just kind of swipe it, and then I kind of circular motion buff it in. Oh, and I also put it down on my chin to give me a chiseled jawline, and on my forehead to make it smaller. Now this is the Fenty Beauty highlighter I'm obsessed with, and I just always do it in a C around my eye, kind of like on my cheekbone, then around my eye, on the top of my nose and on my mouth. You want it to accentuate the high points of your face, so that's why you pop it on those areas. If you want your chin accentuated, you can. I don't need to. I have a really big chin, if no one's noticed that before. But yeah, side profile, big witchy chin. Youngblood is in Tangerine. That's an Australian brand, and it's so amazing and shimmery. And I smile and put it on the apples of my cheeks. It's a very like Victoria's Secret vibe, that pinky blush. I'm just adding the medium color that I used at the start of the video underneath my eyes. And this is Huda Beauty, the Liquid Lip Girlfriend. So smooth and just so yummy smelling. Every time I think of it, I remember the smell of it. But it's so nice. Now this is the Huda Beauty Body Shimmer, and I just rub that all over my chest, and it gives my whole body a glow. You can put it on your arms and legs, and then I go through my cleavage and on my collarbones to add like to the high point. So it's like kind of highlighting your chest as you do the same on your face, and it kind of ties the whole look in. Otherwise it looks funny, like you've got this beautiful glowing face and then your chest is just like kind of matte. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.